Hello everyone. So in this program we are going to write a C program for generating Fibonacci sequence. So in this program we are going to generate a Fibonacci sequence. So before getting into the program, let us see what is a Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which a number is got by adding the previous two numbers. Okay. So the examples for the Fibonacci sequence are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, right, 21, 34, so on and so forth. Okay, here all the numbers are got by adding the previous two numbers. So in this program, we are going to take two numbers as the base numbers, and those are 0 and 1. So using those two numbers, we are going to find the next number, right? Using the next found number and the previous one number, we are going to get a new number. So using two base numbers, we are going to generate a series of Fibonacci, right? Or series of Fibonacci number. So let us start. As usual, our program starts with hash include stdio dot h. Next comes hash include console input output dot h. Next our main method void main. Next comes variable declaration int n. So till which number we have to generate the sequence, right? Next I for our loop control or for our for loop. Next two base numbers 0 and 1, I'll store it in variable a and b. Next I'll be declaring one more variable, that is c, to store the newly found number. Okay. Next I'll be writing one printf statement, and in that I'll be telling the user to enter the limit. Okay. So next scanf %d. So whatever input that has been given by the user will be stored, read and stored in the variable n. Okay. Next we'll be writing one more printf statement. So in that I'll be writing the first %d numbers in the Fibonacci series are. That %d stands for the variable n. Next I'll be writing a for loop for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So if we have given the limit as 5, so in the initial stages I'll check whether 1 is less than 5. Yes, condition true. So here what I'm going to do is, initially I'll be printing whatever content I have in variable a. Printf %d, and that %d stands for a, and I'll be putting one slash n here. Okay, I'll be putting one slash n or slash t, whichever is okay with you. Okay, so once the control comes inside the loop, what I'll do, I will print the content of the variable a. What is the initial value of a, or what is the initial value which is stored in the variable a? That is 0, right? So next what I'll do is, I'll find a new number a plus b. I'll add both the base numbers and I'll find a new number. So in this case, in a we have 0 and in b we have 1. So 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1, right? Then what I'll do is, because we have already found a new number and it has already been stored in variable c, and the value of a we have already been printed. So to find the next number, I don't require the value of a, the initial value of a, that is 0. So what I'll do is, I'll replace the value of a with the value of b. and I'll replace the value of b because I have already kept a copy of b in variable a. So I'll replace the value of b with value of c. So in a variable the value of b, that is 1, will be stored, and in b the value of c, that is 1, right? Both 1 and 1 will be stored. So in the next iteration, uh, I value becomes 2, right? Whether 2 is less than 5, yes, condition true. We came inside, we printed the value of a. Initially we had printed 1. Next, what will be printed? We will print the value of a. What is the value of a? In the first iteration it was 1, right? 1 will be printed. Okay, next we will be finding a new number. A value of a is 1, value of b is 1. A1 plus 1, that is 2. In c we have 2 now, right? So what will be done is, we have already found the new number, right? So what we will do is, we will shift the value of b to the value of a. In b we had 1, we shifted it to variable a, and in c we had 2, right? So we shifted 2 to the variable b. In the next iteration I becomes 3. Whether 3 is less than 5, yes, condition true. So we'll print the value of a. In the third iteration, or in the second iteration, the value of a was 1, right? Next we will find a new number, that is 1 plus 2, that will become 3. In c we have stored 3 now, right? So value of b, that was 2, will be shifted to variable a, and value of c, that is 3, will be shifted to variable b, right? Next I becomes 4. Whether 4 is less than 5, yes, condition true. So what will be printed? The value of a will be printed, that is 0 1 1 2. Value of a in the previous iteration was 2, right? It will be printed. Now we will find a new number, 2 plus 3, that is 5, right? So in b, in c we have 5 now. So then we will interchange the values of b and a. So in b we had 2, that will be shifted to, sorry, in b we had 3, that will be shifted to variable a, and in c we have 5, that will be shifted to variable b, right? In the next iteration I becomes 5. Whether 5 is less than 5, no. Whether 5 is equal to 5, yes, condition true. So in the previous iteration, in variable a we had 3, right? So 3 will be printed. So next we will find the new number, 3 plus 5, that is 8, right? 5 will be shifted to a, and 8 will be shifted to b. So control again comes here. I becomes 6. Whether 6 is less than 5, no. Whether 6 is equal to 5, no, condition false. We, or the control comes outside the loop, and we will stop the program there. Okay, so I'll delete this. Let us execute the program, or let us compile the program. So as you can see, we don't have any errors here. We don't have any errors. Let us execute. So I will give the limit as 3. It will have to print 0 1 and 1, right? If I give 4 as the output, 0 1 1 2, right? It has printed 4 numbers. If I give 6, it will print 0 1 1 2 3 and 5, 6 numbers, right? So here in the loop we have printed the value of a first, then we have found a new number using the previous two base variables, then we have shifted the values of b and c to a and b. That is, we have exchanged, or we have changed the values of a and b with b and c. I hope you guys have got this. Thank you.